Yo, what's up? It's your boy Word Rat. Today we're going to be doing another product review, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing video of Phenyx Pro PAS-225X antenna distribution bundle. This is the antenna distribution system bundle for UHF wireless mic systems. So it comes with the wireless paddles, and it comes with the actual distribution unit, and it comes with the carrying case. Let's get into it. Hey guys, we are unboxing the Phenyx Pro PAS-225X. This is the professional UHF antenna distribution system with directional antenna kit. You feel me? Let's get into it. All right, so let's talk about this box. What do we got here, man? We got a nice box. It's got the name on it, you know what I'm saying? Like, it doesn't feel like there's really much sturdiness to this box because there's something on the inside that provides better support. Y'all know with the other products I've reviewed by Phenyx Pro, they come with a nice box that has a handle and a carrying case and everything like that. Well, when you buy the whole distribution system, the paddles and everything with it, they actually give you a carrying case that comes with it. It's got the specs on the back of the box, if you can see it right here. We've got the antenna type. It's a long periodic array. The frequency range is from 400 to 950. The impedance is 50 ohms. Connectors type is BNC, so those are your regular BNC cables for your antennas. And we have 8 decibels of gain to choose from. The receiver is pretty much the same. We've got 50 ohms, and external power is DC 12 volt 800 milliamps. You can also see in the box content where it says that you get the antenna distribution system receiver, you get the antennas, you get the power cords, you get BNC cables, the adapter, and a user manual. So let me just hold this up here just for y'all to see, and you can take a screenshot if you want. All right, let's open this bad boy. Okay, so it doesn't flip up, it comes out. Okay, it slides out. Ooh, there is the case right there. Is there anything else in the box? Nothing else is in the box, so I'm just gonna put this away over here. All right, so here's the case, bubble wrap around it. I love the carbon fiber look. I'm a fan of carbon fiber. It's got a plastic handle on it. The case feels okay. It doesn't feel like one of those really hard, rugged cases that you could just throw around and beat up and everything, and they'll be good no matter how long you have them. This feels okay. It's a good protective case. It's a plastic case, feels like plastic, and it's got some aluminum trim to it to hold it in place. It's got some corner protectors and things like that. But it does feel like, you know, it'll serve its purpose. Just don't toss it around your trailer and in the back of your truck and everything. Make sure you just take care of it. Let's go ahead and open this up.
All right. Ooh, very nice.
Okay, so we got nice padded interior with this. We've got the slots cut out already for the system. We've got the unit. Looks like there's some BNC cables in here, right here on top. Let me just lift this up and see what's underneath. Underneath, we've got the paddles, and we've got the power adapter and some other goodies in there. So let's go ahead and take these out one by one and take a look at them. First off, let's go ahead and open up these BNC cables. So as the box says, let me take a look at the box. We get 10 21-inch BNC cables, and then we get 2 9-foot BNC cables. So that should be plenty enough for what I need to use for my purposes. I run 6 wireless mics. We should be able to make this work. And if it doesn't, I already have an antenna distribution system. I just don't have paddles. It's a Shure antenna distribution system, and I should be able to link these together and cascade them and make it all work for once. So let's take a look at these BNC cables real quick. Okay, so these are the long ones. So these are 10 foot. Yeah, those are pretty long. Let's go ahead and put these away. Nice. I'll show you how to hook these up here in just a second. Now, looks like we have some power cords. Let y'all see this. This is so that way you don't have to run power to your wireless mic systems. You can actually cascade the power and link them together. So the power adapter in the back of your wireless system will run directly into this unit, and this unit will power all your other units, which is really cool because that's less power cables you got to worry about and less power conditioners that you have to have in your rack system if you use a rack system. So shout out to Phenyx Pro. Appreciate this, man. This is going to come in very handy. You've got 4 of these DC power adapters, and we have some more BNC cables. I'm just going to pull one of these out. So here's the BNC cables that will connect from the back of your wireless units into this unit right here. So instead of using the antennas that come with your wireless mic system, you would run these where the antennas go from the back into the back of this. Instead of running the antennas out in the front, you just swap them around with this, and then you connect these from the back of your wireless system into this unit right here. They're nice BNC cables. Feels really good. Put this away. Put that over there. Now we have the unit right here. Take this out of the plastic. So here's the unit right here. You see all of your BNC connectors back here and your Cascade connectors. Cascade is just using multiple of these units where you plug one in and hook all the connectors up, and then you connect it to this one, and then that's the Cascade effect, and then you run everything out through one. Here's the front of it. You see you've got a power switch right here. Feels really nice. You've got your little handles right here, and you've got your rack ears on it. These little holes right here, this is for the BNC cables to run through the front of it to run your long BNC cables out to your paddles. You've got your user manual that comes with it. Got some QR codes on the back, table of contents. You've got your system description, how to hook everything up. Good information. I would recommend reading over this just so you know exactly if you're doing it right or not. And there's also some manuals online from Phenyx Pro, and I've never had a problem getting a hold of them to get help on how to connect things and everything else. There is warranty information inside of this user manual, so make sure you register this and get it warrantied. That way, if you have any problems, you can return it and Phenyx Pro will take care of you. Take this foam out, see what we got underneath. Here we have the wireless paddles. So I'm going to open one of them right now. The smell of this stuff is really weird. You know what I mean? Like, it's not your typical like plastic smell. It's just got this really funky smell to it. So here is your wireless paddle. This is one wireless paddle. This is where you connect your microphone stand. So that way you can hold these up, you know, high up in the air to get over top of the people that you're trying to capture the signal from. Because remember, the point of having these isn't just for long range. It's also to have a direct line of sight for the wireless mics in use. You might have a wireless mic system that doesn't need these paddles for long range, but where your board is set up and where your wireless mics are set up, there's a lot of people in the way, and the signal makes it difficult to get through to the wireless handhelds, to the transmitters. These would come in handy to still use these, even if you're not using them for long distance, to reach above all of that traffic and all of those people to get to the signal of your handhelds. So it's still good for that. So you get 2 of these. They feel pretty good. I do see how these could break if you are like if you drop them and somebody steps on them or something like that, these could snap. So they feel good. You know what I'm saying? They're sturdy. Just don't bend them and snap them, because if you bend these and snap these, you may as well get you another one. And that's pretty much true for all types of wireless paddles. You don't want to break these things. Here's where you connect your BCN cable right here. And then you have your levels right here where you can increase or decrease the gain. And then you have this screen, this digital screen right here, where it shows you what gain level you're at and how far you're broadcasting it. The gain level is relative to how far it's broadcasting.
Goes right here. Is it over here?
Well, this is nice. So they don't just stack them on top of each other. They provide a foam insert in between the two, so that way they don't get damaged on shipment. Oh, nice. It even has this on top of it. Very cool. I like it.
I like it a lot.
There you see on the camera above, you can see the other wireless paddle in here. So you got 2 wireless paddles. They're both wrapped up really nice and protected very well for shipping. You've got your AC adapter right here, and this just plugs into the back of the unit. You see this right here, And then there is a adapter here where you can plug in the power cable to run into your power conditioner or into a wall or an extension cord, however you're going to be using this. And then last but not least, of course, these rubber feet right here. These are the rubber feet for the bottom of the unit in case you're going to be using this unit on top of something else that's just going to be freestanding. You definitely want to use these rubber feet to prevent the unit from sliding and slipping, because once somebody bumps into whatever you're setting this upon and it slides off, you're gonna wish you would have never done that. So make sure you use these pads if you're not mounting it into a rack system. Now, I told you I was going to tell you how to connect these BNC cables, so let's do a quick rundown of that right now. So here we have our unit. On the back of here is where you would connect your wireless microphone systems. Imagine this is already plugged into the back of your wireless microphone system, and then one of these would just go right into one of these here. And then you just put it on there and you twist it right in, just like that. And then this would come into the front where you see these holes right here. So this would go into the front right here, out of the front of this, to where you can hook up your paddles to it. Then coming out from the front of the unit, you would then connect it to your paddles right here, just like this. Twist it on, boom, there you go. Easy peasy. So there you go. That's the PAS-225X wireless distribution bundle. I'm really looking forward to using this. I can use it a whole lot. There's many times where I'm doing events where I'm not very far away from the wireless mics, but there's such a great crowd of people in between the wireless mics and my rack unit. The only way for me to get around that is to be on stage with my rack unit, operating the sound from there. But I don't want to be on stage. I want to be back behind the crowd so I can see what's going on and hear everything well and run sound the way that's best to actually hear what's going on. Now, the only other thing I want to say about this case is you got to be careful when you close it. It's not going to break or anything when you close it, but if you could see from the top down camera, when you close this, it doesn't always line up. It's a little off, so you kind of have to push it over together to make it snap in, which is kind of weird. I mean, they are giving you this case with the system included with the bundle, and all of this together you get right now as it stands on Phenyx Pro's website for $339 pre-tax amount. Now, if you use the code WORDRAT, you will get 5% off your entire order, so make sure you use that. It does nothing but help me out, and it gives you a discount at the same time. So that is an affiliate link, and if that's something that you think you might enjoy or find this unit useful for you and for your events, then by all means use that code WORDRAT and get yourself a discount, and I would greatly appreciate it. It does help me out. Well, that's it for the unboxing of the Phenyx Pro PAS-225 antenna distribution bundle for a UHF wireless microphone system. There is nothing on the market that you can get for that price with what you're getting with this. And y'all know that I have used Phenyx Pro's products and I've done other reviews, so make sure you check them out. I review the PTU-2U, the PTU-5200. I've got a review coming up for the PTM-33 in-ear wireless monitor system, and I also use the PTU-7000 wireless mic system. I haven't been disappointed with any of their products so far, and I don't anticipate this being something I would be disappointed in either. Now, there's one more thing I want to tell you about this wireless paddle system. This system does not send a signal, it receives the signal. So that means you cannot use it for wireless in-ear monitors, because with wireless in-ear monitors, the unit for your wireless in-ear monitors is sending out a signal for your packs to pick up so that you can listen to it. With wireless microphone systems, the wireless handheld microphone or the lapel mic is the transmitter and the unit is the receiver. So what these wireless paddles do is they extend the range for the wireless systems to be able to receive the signal from the transmitters. Well, that's it for the unboxing. The next video you will see about this unit right here is its actual use. If you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel. If you like my content or if you found any of these review videos helpful at all, or if you just like my content in general, I'm usually posting something every day or a few times a week. You can also check out my music and my website. Check out the links below. Help a brother out. Hit that subscribe button. Share the video with a friend. Let me know if you have any questions. Put them down in the comment section below, or if you've used this system or you have any input about that, just go ahead and put your comments below. Would love to hear what you have to say. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, I'll see y'all on the flip side. Love y'all. Peace.